Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscaping. Right now we're in Kenner doing a complete landscape renovation and installation along with a new irrigation system. We removed all the existing shrubbery right here in the front. It had all overgrown shrubs. Right now we're in the process of installing green metal edging as a border around all the gardens. That'll keep the grass from entering the flower beds. Irrigation is pretty much in. We've installed new pop-up heads. This will be a fully automatic system. And we're coming around the corner here with the new gardens. Same thing here, we removed all the shrubbery. It's gonna get a fresh redesign. As you can see, we've got the garden soil going in now. We use a good organic topsoil, which has a lot of humus and bark fines, real good quality. The pH is about a 6.8 on the soil. Irrigation is throughout the garden beds. So if you need a good landscape design installation, you want it done professionally and you want it done right, on time and on budget, give us a call at Clean Cut Landscape. We can handle everything for you. Give us a call at 504-415-1438 or visit us at cclanddesign.com. Thank you.